Why do pilots use red light in the cockpit at night? Because a bright white light can quickly damage the eye's ability to see in darkness, while a dim red light can provide enough illumination with much less effect on night vision. Your eyes do not handle daylight and darkness in exactly the same way. In bright conditions, one group of light-sensitive cells helps you see fine detail and color. In very low light, another group becomes much more important. These night-sensitive cells are excellent at detecting faint shapes, but they need time to reach full sensitivity. That process is called dark adaptation. After exposure to bright light, complete adaptation to darkness can take around 30 minutes. So imagine a pilot looking outside into a nearly black sky, then switching on a bright white cockpit light to read something. The pilot may suddenly find the dark scene outside much harder to see. Dim red light helps reduce that problem. The night-sensitive cells in the eye respond much less strongly to deep red light than they do to many shorter wavelengths. That means a pilot can use a low-level red light to see instruments or a chart while preserving more of the eye's sensitivity to the darkness outside. It is not magic, and the night vision cells are not completely blind to red. A bright red light can still interfere with dark adaptation. The key is that the light is dim and red enough to disturb night vision less than a bright white light would. There is also a trade-off. Red light changes how colors appear. Red markings can become difficult to distinguish, and colors on charts or displays can be harder to read. That is why red lighting is not automatically the best choice for every cockpit task. Modern cockpits also complicate the picture. Pilots now work with bright digital displays, colored warnings, and navigation information. Military crews may also use night vision goggles. Those systems need cockpit lighting designed specifically to avoid glare and interference. Depending on the aircraft, that can mean carefully dimmed white light or filtered night vision compatible lighting rather than the classic red glow. So why is red light associated with night flying? Because it offers a useful compromise. Enough light to work inside the cockpit while helping the eyes stay adapted to the dark outside. The goal was never to make the cockpit look dramatic. It was to let a pilot look down at the instruments, then back into the night, without throwing away as much of the night vision their eyes had worked so long to build.